That's going at a bid at $110. Okay, so we have some furniture here. We have some books, potentially some records. What that is? Let's see. I like, oh, okay, it's not records. What I like about this site is you could actually interact with the pictures, which is pretty cool. But this one looks like it is very well organized. You can see some chairs in the back. So another set of chairs in there. You also have an elliptical. And I know right now, you know, exercise equipment wouldn't be that bad to have and try to resell. We have a set of 4 chairs right here, folding chairs. So that's something that you could definitely pawn off on Facebook Marketplace. This one wouldn't be that bad of a unit. So I wouldn't mind bidding on this one, but we'll see. I just want to get a feel of what's going on with these sites. Again, for this one, it is biddings in increments of $10. Let's see here. I do believe for the storage auctions, you usually have around, I think it's 48 hours or 72 hours to actually totally clean them up. So you want to make sure that you're aware of that. It should say on somewhere on the site, but just